Now, the 16th play of the Abrazare is the last of the unarmed plays, because the 17th, 18th, and 19th, and 20th are plays with the bastoncello. So, this is the last one, and it is the nastiest. And it's effectively, if you find yourself in a situation where your opponent has gone for your face. Okay, so let's say I have gone for a low grip, she goes for my face. He says, if you find their face uncovered, stick your thumbs in their eyes. Okay? And I don't think that's just a gentle push. I think that's you stick them in. Right? Gently with your friends. But he also says that if you find them covered, and I can't actually see Jessie's eyes at the moment because she's covering my face with her hands. This is fine. It's fine. I don't need to see them. Right? So if it's covered, I go to the elbow. Okay? As you have seen in the other plays. Okay? So standard stuff. Basically, if the eyes are available, go for them. Covered in this context, I think means in armor. So if they have their visor down, you can't stick your thumbs in their eyes. It's kind of what visors are for. Right. So I'm going low. She's going high. She's got her hands in my face. So I go for her eyes. And there we have it.